Come on our Scandinavian adventure. The storm catches up, hitting us hard, and the roads turn to rivers. Nothing.
Stuart finds a long-lost brother.
Some more World War II history.
We find an old car by a waterfall.
We suffer another breakdown and hit the Troll's Ladder. There, behind us and behind this sign, is what we're going to go up in the motorhome. See if it makes it, eh? You're not going to look? No? Okay. I'll keep my eyes open though.